Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maddie if you're new here. Hello and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be following a James Charles makeup tutorial from 2017. I am super excited and I think it'll turn out okay. I pray. It'll turn out okay. Because that's important. Before you came round, my heart would never be much faster. If you guys are new here, please make sure you subscribe down below, and I post new videos every Wednesday and Friday. And let's just jump to bare-faced Maddie. Alright, here we go. I'm scared. Okay, we're doing it. Wow, he looks so good. Oh my god. I'm gonna mess this up. Slay the gods. Okay, just tell me what to do. Just tell me how to be like you.
Hi sisters, James Charles here, and welcome back to my channel.
What am I doing?
Right now I'm currently rocking the Pepper from American Horror Story.
I think he's priming.
But you know what? We're just gonna move on and probably put on a hat as soon as humanly possible. I feel like it's been literally months.
Hello? Oh my god. He primed. He moved on to his foundation.
Going on, and I've been really slacking.
Hello.
On you guys and video on it because I really feel like I don't talk to you guys enough, and that is something that
we're blending.
Want to change. So if you
we
don't
are
Twitter,
blending.
Follow me. I've been tweeting a ton of you guys lately and following a bunch of people as well. I don't know why I didn't do this sooner, but hey, it's never too late to be not a shitty influencer, right? I'm gonna be blending this foundation way down my neck today.
Blending it down our neck, just like James said.
A little splotchy. I have an appointment later on this week. Perfect in time for Coachella this weekend. I am so freaking excited.
I need more.
That I'll be seeing a ton of you sisters there.
Because
it'll be me and Laura and Jesus and Victor all going together. It's gonna be such a good time. So if you see me, you better freaking say hi. I honestly have no idea.
Oh, I'll say hi if I ever get to Coachella. Plus this video is like 2 years old, so.
The last thing that everybody wants to see is me naked. Trust me. Earlier on Twitter when I was planning when I wanted to do this video, when I decided I was going to do like a little chit-chat Q&A style video, I tweeted out asking
we're concealing. We are concealing. Mother trucker.
So I'm going to
stop. We're going to be using my Too Faced Born This Way Super Covered Multi-Sculpting Concealer in the shade Almond. If you're interested, it is kind of dark, but we are going to make it work. I would love to meet Kim Kardashian too, James. Hello, are you baking? Oh my god, he's baking. He is baking. You know what? This is supposed to be a tutorial, and you're not telling me much. And is that a no? Hello, James. Slow down, okay, wait, he did some here. Okay, and then I feel like he did some here, but I kind of missed it, so we're just gonna. No, that wouldn't make sense. Get off.
My answer would be guys is literally just wash my face in the shower.
Okay, you know what? He's just talking, so we're just gonna, we're just gonna. Oh my god, why is that so patchy? Actually, no, it's not. That's okay. James, I'm just trying to be like you. I just want to be a sister. I want to be in the sister squad. Literally, my only goal in life is to be like, oh, hey, James, like, want to hang out? That would mean the world to me. Snatching his freaking nose. Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna go in with this base shadow brush because yeah. In that medium shade. I'm just gonna, try not to break up my nose. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh lord. That looks good. I'm looking like, I kind of like it, but like this is too much work. it really feels nice to get the support from my boyfriend and my family for my job, which is trying to do YouTube and school. Love you. Really like being sensitive. I don't think that's straight. Oh my god. For contour. Okay. That was good. That was good. That was good. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up. Okay, great. Where else are we baking? Gee. Oh. Okay, he's doing his brows, so I'm gonna go cute. I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Youth Proof Brow Pencil in the shade number 2. I hope this is my shade, and we're just gonna, you know. It is fine, right? All 28 of you will still love me if I butcher this tutorial or challenge. I don't even know what this is anymore. I also don't know who started this whole trend, and it is kind of old, but I kind of like jumped on the train because I was like, let's do it for a video idea. So that's why we're here today. Okay, back to focusing. This is honestly like, should I just use my zip brow? You know what? I think we did a good job. Click. Yes, queen. Okay. Catch up to me, James. Dolan twins.
Unfortunately, no, I will not be attending VidCon this year. I'm so freaking sad because I really did want to go. But I just found out a week ago after I had already booked my tickets to VidCon that it's the same weekend as my graduation back in New York across the country. So unfortunately, I will not be at VidCon, but I will be at Playlist Live in Orlando in 2 weeks. I'm so freaking excited. So if you are watching that, I will be there. My meet and greet just got announced. I think I'm meet and greet number 20 on Saturday.
Okay, yeah, we're sleeping.
Weird, and yes, absolutely. Saturday.
Okay. We're gonna. What are we doing? Okay, so it looks like he's taking like a lighter brown shade and putting it in his crease. He didn't put on highlighter or anything, right? No. Okay, so we're gonna just go in with the shade Bold from the Tarte's palette. Just gonna dab, and we're gonna go, and we're just gonna blend it in the crease like James did. I can easily do that. I need to do both eyes because if it's not done on both eyes, I will lose my mind. Lose it. So what's new? I'm glad you guys liked my last 2 videos. That means the world. And we got 4 new subscribers, which I'm honestly like, I know that might sound like not a big deal, but to me it's like a huge deal that people are actually watching these and just, you know, coming along for the ride. Okay, oh my god, he freaking made it darker. Okay, so we're gonna take, no, just throwing it on my computer. We're gonna take this brush again. We're gonna take the darker shade and we're just gonna, you know, pop it right here because that's what James did. I can do that too, right? Oh no. No. Cheers. See, I told you, he's gonna do the other eye off camera.
So I just went ahead and finished my eyes off camera just to...
He just finished his eyes completely. Oh, jeez Louise. Okay, I don't have any false lashes, so we're just gonna coat on the mascara. We even wiped off the bake. Did we go through that? Did I miss something? Okay. You know what? Guten Tag. Good enough. I'm over it. We're gonna go with some lights, camera, lashes. Oh, lights, camera, flashes from Tarte. We're just gonna double layer. Anastasia, Beverly Hills, like the eye. You know what I mean? The like eyebrow brush. Sometimes I use a dip brow, sometimes I don't. Because I just don't like it. Gonna go in my own video. Highlighting palette. Go in with this shade. Nice. I did film a review for this palette and like an unboxing, but I don't know if you guys want to see that. But if you do, let a girl know. So, I don't have that. However, I'm gonna do something cool too. My lips are disgusting. Oh my god. You know how to fix that? Lip chap. We're gonna go in with some lip chap. We're gonna go. Cool. So we're gonna go in with this really weird soft matte lip cream from NYX. It is so pink. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but like it's super pink. So let's hope we don't mess this up. Oh god. Okay guys, so this is the completed look. I think I followed it pretty well. The only thing I didn't really do is that purple lip because I don't have a purple lip. And you know what? He started out with something pink. So I just, you know, I went with his first idea because I don't have a lipstick palette, I guess you would say. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. It means the world to me all the time. And leave a comment on what kind of videos you think I should be doing or what video you want to see next. And I will be looking at all the comments. Yes. Alright guys, so I hope you have an amazing, wonderful day, and I will see you on Friday.